Hey all, welcome back to another video. So today I'll be sharing two refreshing drinks and a tomato puree recipe, how we can freeze and store it and how it would be useful during this Ramadan period. So let's get started. So firstly, for the lemon drink, here I have took around 4 to 5 lemons. 2 of them are of bigger size. Squeezing out the lemon juice. Make sure if there are any seeds. Now into the same bowl of lemon juice, I added around 1/4 cup of sugar, that's around 10 to 12 teaspoons. Mix it well. Next goes in 2 teaspoons of jeera powder, that's cumin powder. Now here make sure that you use black salt. So here I'm adding around 1 tablespoon of black salt. Now this is the jaljeera mix, jaljeera powder that you get in any of the supermarkets or any shops. So add it around 1 tablespoon and mix it well. Mix it very well and make sure there is no sugar left at the bottom. Now we'll be freezing it. Now pour this mixture to the ice tray. Now this will not be a very hard ice cube, but yes, this will be an instant one. Just add 1 or 2 cubes for around 1 to 2 glasses into a mixer and blend them well, and your juice will be ready. Do check out the description box for the measurement of a single glass. So as you can see, it's all set now. I freezed it for around 5 to 6 hours and here it is how it came out. So as the mixture was quite sugary, it didn't harden up well, but yes, you can store it in a container in the freezer and it will not change its shape. It's all done now. I'm just showing how to prepare the drink. So you have to add just 2 cubes in a blender for 2 glasses. Add around 1.5 cup of water, blend it well, and here's your drink ready. So next is an instant orange mojito drink. So let's see. So here I have extracted the fresh juices from 2 oranges in the food processor. If you don't have a food processor, you can just simply blend the oranges in the blender, but without water, so that's how you get a fresh juice. Pour the orange juice in a separate bowl, and next we'll be adding the lemon juice. So here I've added juices of 2 lemon. Next we'll be adding 4 teaspoons of sugar. Now next here I have took handful of mint leaves and just crushed it well. So here I don't have the stone mortar vessel, so I just use this. You can use the stone one, though that would be much better. So I added 2 tablespoons of water, and this is how you will get the fresh extract from mint leaves. Just crush it all well. Strain out the crushed mint leaves and press it well so that you get whole of the extract. Next we'll be crushing the ginger. Here I have took 2 medium pieces of ginger and crushed them all well. Doing the same procedure, just straining out and extracting the juice from the ginger. Add just 1 to 2 tablespoons of water and crush it again. Strain it out completely, and here's how you'll get the ginger extract too. Now if you want, you can add little bit of ginger pieces to the drink too. It will give a good taste. Next I crushed 2 green chilies. Crush them all well and then add it to the juice. It will give a good punch. So here's our mixture ready. Now start pouring this mixture to the ice tray to freeze it. Now also I have took a few orange pieces and mint leaves too to add in the tray. Just add 1 to 2 mint leaves in a cube and also 1 to 2 small pieces of oranges. Store it for 5 to 6 hours, or a day would be better. I took it the next day and this is how it came. So you can store it in a container in the freezer and can use it later too. Add 2 cubes in a glass. This would be for per serving, and if you're serving for 2, you can add 4 cubes and a whole can of soda. Crush the cubes very well and then start adding the soda, or you can just simply blend the cubes with water. So here's our orange mojito ready. Hope you all like it. Do try out and let me know for sure. So next I'm showing how to make tomato puree with overripe tomatoes. I had around 3 to 4 overripe tomatoes, so just cut it into cubes, add it to a blender and blend it to a very smooth paste. Now if you have overripe tomatoes at home and you just don't use it and throw it away, don't do that. Just use this simple way and you'll get a very nice tomato puree, and you can use it in any of your curries. Now here I have blended to a smooth paste. Add it to a pan and start heating it. Heat it on a medium-low flame, and as you can see, it has started changing its color. It's turning dark red. Keep scraping off the edges or it will start to harden. Turn off the flame and let it cool down completely. Now when it's cooled down completely, add 2 teaspoons of sugar and a teaspoon of vinegar to it. Also add a little bit of salt and mix it well. So as we are going to freeze this too, so start pouring this puree to the ice tray and freeze it. So it's better you don't freeze it more than 15 days, use it within 15 days. Freezed it for a whole night, and this is how it came out the next day. So you can just demold it and store in a container in the freezer, and you can use it for up to 15 days. Now the quantity for this would be 3 cubes equals to 1 tomato. So here comes an end to the video. This was the part 1. Shall be uploading the part 2 of Ramadan preparations. Hope you all like the video. Do try out and let me know for sure. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.